Hello, welcome to TechWars. In this video, we will explore effective strategies for managing your Azure cloud environment. From setting up your account to optimizing costs and enhancing security, you will gain valuable insights and tips for mastering Azure. We will begin with the essentials of getting started with Azure, including account setup and navigating the portal. Next, we'll focus on cost optimization techniques. Then, we will cover security best practices, followed by strategies for improving performance and scalability. Finally, we will look at streamlining development and operations. Before diving into advanced topics, it's essential to understand the basics of Azure. This section will guide you through the initial steps to establish a solid foundation for your Azure journey. To start using Azure, you'll first need to create an account. This process involves selecting a subscription model, providing necessary information, and configuring billing settings. It's crucial to choose the right plan based on your needs. The Azure portal is your central hub for managing resources and services. Familiarizing yourself with its layout, features, and tools will significantly enhance your ability to monitor and deploy Azure resources effectively. Azure offers a wide range of services such as computing, storage, databases, and networking. Understanding these services and how they interconnect will help you leverage Azure's full potential for your projects. As you scale your use of Azure, managing costs becomes increasingly important. This section focuses on strategies to monitor and control expenditures, while still utilizing the platform's powerful features. Regularly reviewing your usage and expenditures is vital in Azure. Utilize built-in tools and dashboards to track spending patterns and understand where your resources are allocated. Azure provides various tools for cost management, including Azure Cost Management and Azure Advisor. These tools are essential for analyzing costs and providing recommendations for optimizing your spending. Implementing strategies such as reserved instances, auto-scaling, and optimizing resource allocation can lead to significant savings. Understanding these options will equip you to manage your Azure resources more economically. Security is a critical aspect of cloud management. This section will cover best practices and tools available in Azure to secure your environments effectively. Adhering to security best practices, such as implementing network security groups and managing firewall rules, is crucial for protecting your Azure resources from unauthorized access. Azure Active Directory provides tools for identity management and access control. Understanding how to configure roles and permissions will help you secure your resources, while enabling seamless access for users. Azure Security Center is a comprehensive tool for monitoring security across your Azure resources. It offers recommendations, threat detection, and compliance management to enhance your security posture. To maximize the effectiveness of your applications, it's essential to focus on performance and scalability. This section will discuss techniques for optimizing resources and ensuring that your applications can grow seamlessly. Regular performance monitoring and optimization are necessary to ensure resources are utilized effectively. Techniques such as profiling and diagnostics can help improve application performance. understanding how to scale applications, whether vertically or horizontally, is crucial for maintaining performance. Azure provides various scaling options that can be adapted to your application's needs. Azure Load Balancer and Traffic Manager are powerful tools for distributing traffic and ensuring availability. These services help optimize resource allocation and enhance user experience across applications. To improve productivity, integrating development and operations is key. This section will explore tools and practices that facilitate collaboration and automation in the Azure environment. Azure DevOps provides a suite of tools for collaboration and CI/CD processes. Integrating these tools into your projects will streamline development and improve deployment efficiency. Azure Resource Manager (ARM) templates allow you to define your resources in a declarative way. This helps with consistency and repeatability when deploying environments. Azure Logic Apps enable you to automate workflows and integrate different services seamlessly. By using Logic Apps, you can enhance operational efficiency and reduce manual tasks.